Hello everyone, we are talking a new feature in Go. There is how to use products in the payment element in forms. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go and click on payments. After clicking on payments, you need to click on integrations. If you click on integrations, you can see multiple payment gateway integrations. You can click on any payment gateway integration and click on connect, and you need to fill all these details. After filling all these details, we can add this payment integration into the form. For this, firstly you get into click on product. After clicking on product, you can create your own product by clicking on create product, or you can import from Stripe or import from a CSV, anything. Okay, after that, I have created a product like this update program ABC XY or something. After that, I need to add that product into the form. For that, I need to click on sites. I need to get into forms. I need to click on builder. After that, I can select any form as a default form, or if I want to create from new, I need to click on add form and I can create the form from scratch or anything. In that case, here I am taking an example as form 16 as an example. Yeah, this is the form, I got it. And after that, I need to add any fields or something. In that case, here I'm adding address. I need to drag and drop from this feature, and I need to integrate that. Here I need to add the payment gateway. In that case, I am dragging the payment gateway and adding here. After that, I need to click on this, and here I can see the live mode and the test mode. Here I can select sell products, sell customer mode. In that case, if I select sell products, I need to add the product. I will select the product like ABC, add the product. And a similar way, I can add multiple products. Here I can select course for high level learning and add product. Here I have added multiple products. And if I want to edit any product related description or something, I need to click on the settings option. I need to click here. I can edit this product and the description, image, everything can be edited. After that, I can select the layout settings as single column or two column or three column. I can select anything. And if I select single column, it will be appearing like this. And if I select two column, it will be appearing like this. And three column, it will be appearing like this. You can select any feature. And after that, I need to click on save. And after that, I need to click on integrate. After that, I will get a feature. I will click on preview feature here. Okay, by clicking on integration, we can integrate multiple workflow. We can integrate one workflow and one form at a time. After that, here I am clicking here. We can also enable the email notification. If I enable this, we can also receive email notification from the user from the email notification. After that, I need to get into preview feature. We click on preview. Here we can give the details of the any person who is purchasing this product, and you can also add the how many products you need, and you can submit all these details. And after that you can click on order ID and you, you can collect the receipt. Okay, by using this feature, we can easily purchase a product by using form feature, and we can here we can integrate workflow, and we can integrate one form. This can be done by using this feature. Thank you.